Welcome back, students. So by now I think you must have become the bond of general organic chemistry, yeah? So you will be very excited to solve the question of general organic chemistry, and which will improve your skills plus your confidence level also. Here we go, here we proceed. So students, now I will be discussing some of the previous year JEE questions which have come up from this basic general organic chemistry chapter, which will boost up your confidence also. So here let's proceed for the first question. This was very easy question asked in JEE 2005. Which one of the following is a vinyl carbocation? Vinyl carbocation. So if we look at the options, okay, then this is you can say benzoyl carbocation. Okay, this is what? This is your allyl one, allyl carbocation, and this is your vinyl carbocation. Means if positive charge is present just over that carbon which is in unsaturation, then we say that it's a vinyl, and if it is adjacent to it, then we say that is a allyl carbocation. And this one is more stable. Allyl one is more stable. Okay, always remember. This one is less stable. So, but in the question it asked that which one of the following is the vinyl carbocation. So obviously your C is the correct answer for this, guys. Okay, so C is the correct answer for that. Next, which of the following compound is the most acidic? Now in these compounds, if in this type of questions, whenever you encounter the most acidic, less acidic, or basic and all, so first of all you have to search for, if it is an acidic, you have to search for the electron withdrawing groups. If it is a basic, you search for the electron donating groups. So it is the case of acidic. So the more the number of withdrawing groups, the more acidic it will be. So you can see here I have 1, here I have 2, okay, here I have again 1, but here I have 3. So obviously this will be the most acidic because of NO2 being a very good electron withdrawing group there. Okay, so if this will withdraw the electron group from this side, so it will be very easy for this compound to lose its H plus very easily and form the carbocation. So your D is the correct answer for this. D is the correct answer for this. Then next question. Which one among the following carbocations is most stable? Stability based question, guys. Again, carbocation, we know that tertiary is more stable than my secondary, then my primary, then 0 degree. So if you are checking these options, okay, if you are checking, this is a tertiary one, okay, this is a secondary one, so this one omitted, this one omitted, and now this one is also tertiary, this one is also tertiary. Now which will be the most stable? As that is in the closed ring form, so obviously this is the most stable because rings are always stable, right? And this is tertiary also. So your A is the correct answer for this, guys. A is the correct answer for this. Next, this came in 2011. The arrangement of tertiary, secondary and primary, okay, when attached to benzene or unsaturated group in the order of their activating effect, right? So it is basically asking you about that how much plus R plus I it is adding to that ring. So obviously it will be what? It will be your 1 degree greater than your 2 degree greater than your 3rd degree. So that is what do activating effect means. Activating, if it has been asked deactivating, then it will be totally reverse case of it. Okay, 3 degree is greater than your 2 degree, then your 1 degree. So for this again, your A will be the correct answer, guys. A is the correct answer for this. Then come with the last question. Asked in 2008, IUPAC name of this, IUPAC nomenclature. So among the options, if you were to select, okay, so ethoxymethanol, this is not that compound. Ethyl 2-methyl propanoate, it doesn't sound good, okay, because that is not following the rule actually. Then ethanoic propanic anhydride, okay, I have here a methyl group attached, here I have a ethyl group attached, so I can consider that. Then 2-methyl and ethoxypropanone. Again, 2-methyl is not the thing, right? Either it can be your first methyl or it can be a ethyl, right? So obviously, if you search of these 4 options, then only the C option, yeah, it sounds good, and it according to the rules, means even if the numbers are not used, but out of these 4 options, this will be the correct answer. So C will be the correct answer for this guys. Others are wrong. Others are totally wrong. So with that ends our chapter. Okay, it ends our chapter, and we have done all the basic fundas which are in organic chemistry. Yeah, the general organic chemistry. We understood what do we mean by attacking reagents. How does the reactions goes on? What are the tests? Yeah, what is the hyperconjugation effect? What is the IUPAC nomenclature? And then at last, you all boosted up with that JEE question round. Yeah. So I hope you will even get more confidence when you will be doing more practice of the questions. If you have any doubts in this chapter, you can log on to www.askIITians.com. There you can go to our discussion board and you can post your question by choosing your category. You have to select your category and you can post your question here. We experts at Ask IITians will answer to your question or doubts within 24 to 48 hours. So students, by this time now you must have become so much confident that if you get any question based upon general organic chemistry, you will hit it and hit it hard. Yeah. Now, briefing the chapter from the starting. In the beginning, we learn about first of all that what is carbon, which was the first compound, which was the first organic compound, how do we obtain the organic compounds. Then we learn about the structural representation and 3-dimensional representation of those structures. Then we understand that what are those rules which specify that okay, if I name this compound like this, then this is this structure of that compound. So we did the IUPAC nomenclature, which is very important. 2-3 question must be coming. Okay, it will be coming in the exam. Then we learn about the isomerism. So in that, your stereoisomers and your geometrical isomers, they both are very, very important. They both are very, very important for exams. Then we learn various techniques, various reaction mechanism and qualitative analysis. Also, by doing these practice of the question, you must have become now the boss. So that's all about the syllabus. That's all about the general organic chemistry syllabus, guys. For more videos of physics, mathematics and biology, you must log into www.askiitians.com.